Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Blockblast on Android device. Downloading Blockblast on your Android device is a simple and a straightforward process. So let's get started. First of all, tap open Play Store. Now, go to the search box appearing at the top and type in Blockblast and search. Look for the application that says Blockblast from Hungry Studio. Tap on the install button to begin downloading Blockblast on your Android phone, which will take a couple of minutes. Wait for the app to download and install, and then simply tap on the play button to launch open Blockblast on your Android device. So that is how you can easily download Blockblast game on Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.